Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we look at using the sum of a geometric series to find out its number of terms. So we're going to do questions like this. How many terms must be added in the series below for the sum to exceed 100,000? So this is a geometric series. You should be able to recognize that by now. A is 2, R, the common ratio, is 1.5. So let's start by re-looking at the sum of a geometric series formula. So in red is the formula. So for this particular geometric series, of course, A being 2 and R being 1.5, we get something like this. R minus 1 will be 0.5. So I can further simplify this. So I get 2 divided by a half is 4. So I get 4 times 1.5 to the power of n minus 4. So that 4 here comes 2 divided by 0.5 is 4. When I times by minus 1, I get minus 4. So this is a simpler way to write the sum of this particular geometric series. So what I want is I want 4 times 1.5 to the power of n minus 4. I want to know when that's equal to 100,000. So let's look at solving this equation. Well, I'm going to first add 4 to both sides. So you get 1.5 to the power of n times 4 is equal to 100,004. And then I divide each side by 4. So I get 1.5 to the power of n is equal to 25,001. So this is another exponential equation that needs solving. You can use graphical method, trial and error, or whatever. So probably easiest to use log. So n will just be log of 25,001 divided by log 1.5. So putting that on our calculator, we get number about 24.97. So really what's that saying is we need 24.97 terms of this sequence. But we can't have a number of terms that's not a whole number. You can't have 24.5 terms or whatever. So we always round it up. Even if it was 24.1, we'd still round it up. 24 terms is not quite enough to get to 100,000, but 25 will be a little bit over 100,000. So we conclude we would need 25 terms in this sequence here so that the sum of those terms is more than 100,000. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.